we start the last one practical for that the ARM microcontroller for study of that the PWM. In that the aim to study the PWM using for that the FRDM plus KL25Z kit, whereas the apparatus is that the Kill Microvision software, FRDM plus KL52Z board USB cable, whereas in that the circuit diagram. Here the circuit diagram for that the in that the circuit diagram we are useful for that the reset circuit. Here the reset circuit connected through that the pin number 6. Here the VCC point for that the 4 and 8 pins. Here the ground for that the 12 and 14 pins. Also connected for that the PWM circuit, whereas that the PWM pulse width modulation here used for that the LED indicators, and that the also connected for that the crystal circuits pin number 61 and that the 62, whereas that the PWM, that means the PWM pulse width modulation. Here that the program for that the pulse width modulation included for that the embedded H file, and that the PWM out for that the LED, that means the PWMचं आउटपुट तुमचं लेड थ्रू तुम्हाला PWM आउटपुट भेटणार आहे. Here consider the float I in that the while loop for that the I is equal to 0, I is less than 1.5 and the I plus plus, that is a 0.08, where the LED is I, that means the float I, that means the LED I. Here the wait for that the delay sequence is that the 0.6, and the LED I, that means the I is greater than 1.5, there is the wait time for that the 0.06. Here that means the PWM, it is the also called for that the pulse duration or that the pulse length modulation. It is way of that the describe a digital signal that was created for that the modulation technique, which is involved the encoding a measure into the pulsating signal. All through this modulation technique can be used to encoded for that the information transmission. It means used for that the allow the control of that the power supply and that the electrical device such as the motors, whereas the PWM is the one of the most two principal algorithm used for that the photovoltaic solar battery charges, and the other beginning maximum power point tracking. The PWM uses for that the rectangular pulse wave whose the pulse width is modulated, resulting in that the variation of that the average value of that the waveform. The simplest way to generate the PWM sequence signals is the intrinsic method, which requires the only sawtooth and that the triangular wave, easily generated to that the simple oscillator and that the comparator. When the value of that the reference signal is more than the modulation waveform, the PWM signal is the high state, otherwise it is the low state. The main advantages of that the PWM, that is the power loss in that the switching device is very low. When a switch is the off, there practically no current, and when it is on, the power beginning the transfer to that the load, there is almost no voltage drop across that the switch. Power is lost beginning the product of that the voltage and the current, thus through the both cases close to that the zero. The PWM is also works with that the digital controls, which is because of their on and off nature can be easily set to the needed duty cycle. The term of that the duty cycle describe the proportion of that the on time to that the regular period of that the times, and that the low duty cycle corresponding to that the low power, because the power is off for most of that the time. The duty cycle is expressed in that the present 100% being the fully on. When the digital signal is on and off, there is the time, and that the half other time is that the off. The digital signal have that the duty cycle is of that the 50%, and the remember less the sequence wave. The PWM has been the used for that the certain communication system, whereas the duty cycle has been used to conveniently information over the communication channel. In that the PWM leading edge, the trailing edge, and that the both are varied as that the function the amplitude of that the sample signal with the care that the pulse do not overlap, whereas it requires for that the average power, and that is the bandwidth. For that the K signal to be multiplexed, and that the FM highest frequency of the signal, the maximum permissible pulse width without the overlapping, it is the delta T is equal to 1/2, that is the FM seconds. With the sine wave signal of that the amplitude EM, the pulse width is the vary as that the delta T 1 plus EM sine omega T as into that the cos omega T, such as the consistor has that the multivibrator, integrator, adder, clipper, and that the skimmy, and that the Smith trigger. The application for that the PWM is the use for that the ADC, use for that the DC motors, use for that the telecommunication, use for that the voltage regulation, use for that the RC device, also use for that the audio video effect, power delivery for that the in that the application for that the amplification of that the device, the electrical store heater, also used for that the voltage regulation, and that the lamp dimmers. In that the FRDM kit, the FRDM has been designed by that the NXP collaboration with that the embedded prototype all sorts, and that the device it is especially those the requiring the size and the price point offered by that the Cortex M0, and the power of that the USB host and the device. Here it is based on that the NXP KL25Z with that the 32-bit ARM Cortex M0 core, the running of that the 40 MHz. It is include that the 128 kilobyte flash, 16 kilobyte RAM, and the lost interface including that the USB device, SPI, I2C, ADC, DAC, PWM, TOS sensor, and that the other IO interface. The FRDM KL25Z is fully supported in that the embedded platform, so it gets the access the free tools, and that the SDK that provides the experienced embedded developers with the powerful and that the protective tools for that the building proof and that the concept. The pinout above that the shows the commonly used for that the interface, and there is the location. The numbered pins can also be used for that the digital and the digital out interface. Whereas that the successfully practical the PWM technique using for that the FRDM plus KL25Z studied are successfully.